Hey friends, so I'm going to do some ribs today, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I have done ribs in the past, but I love doing them, so let's do this. I'm going to try some Meat Church Gospel all-purpose rub, and this honey barbecue rub. It's honey hog. It's by Suckle Busters, and then just salt and pepper. I got some onion butter. I've never tried it, so we're going to try that too. So we'll see how this works. There they are. Okay, here we're just doing the unwrapping and trimming them up. Like I said, this is speeded up just for time's sake. Here I'm trimming them up and patting them down with paper towels. God, I went through about a half a roll of paper towels. But anyway, getting everything put together so we can get them out on the smoker. We're getting the smoker prepared and getting it fired up here. I love this smoker. What I really like about it is the app that I can have on my phone. I went out shooting and I had this app so I could see what was going on in my backyard. So anyway, love this thing. Accident out here. I was doing a roast and it was wrapped in a pan, and I pushed through, and all the juice leaked out. But I'm not going to clean that today. That'll be next time. You can see here it's starting to smoke, getting fired up. We're about ready to put these ribs on. Okay, I've been out to the shooting range with, I've got a new pistol. So I took all my guns out and shot them. And we sighted the new one in. But, so it's been about 3 hours. I have the tin foil ready to do the wrap. We'll do this one first, and then we'll do this one. So did the wrap on the first one and I forgot to turn the camera on, so this is the second one. But you get the idea anyway. I'm putting down 3 tabs of butter. Then I put some brown sugar on here, and then some molasses, and actually a little bit of that habanero glaze. So anyway, let's get her done. I'm putting these down, meat side down, then I put some brown sugar on the bone side, and some molasses, and again the habanero sauce, and off we go. Okay, I got these out. These are baby backs, and those are spare ribs. And these are going to rest because these are at temperature. Those are not. And then I am going to unwrap both of them, put some glaze on them, and put them back in the smoker for about 45 minutes. So these spare ribs have come up to temperature according to my Recteq app. So I'm going to take them out and unwrap them, and then I'm going to put both the baby back ribs and the spare ribs back on the grill, and we'll glaze them and set the glaze. So when I unwrap these, I got that juice all over my work surface. So here I am taking the hose and cleaning up. Nice fast cleanup here. Now we're ready to put on one more coat of glaze and pull these babies. They should be done. Okay, so it's been about 40 minutes and the glaze is set up, and I am going to pull these. I'm done waiting. And so this cook has taken about 5.5, 6 hours. And they are so tender, I have to be so careful getting them out of there. They're just ready to fall apart. But I like them that way. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. By the way, that little tinfoil portion there is corn on the cob, and it was delicious too. I'm actually going to give half of this to my neighbor, and these are for their dog. So they've been resting now about 40 minutes. Okay, these turned out delicious, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for sticking around this long if you did, and we'll see you further on down the trail.